Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy and I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I thought I would share with you a fabulous fun folding card. So I'm going to make one similar to this. I'm going to use different papers and different flowers. Another consultant showed me how to make these, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my paper. So obviously all our papers come with a zip strip, so I'm going to take the zip strip off. This paper is from the Oh My Heart paper from back in February, but I want to make a cut, and this is going to be 5.5 by 12. So we need this piece, and now we need to do some scoring. Okay, so there I have got all my score lines on. Alright, so we'll put that bit to the side for now. We're going to cut the rest of the paper. So I've got white daisy here, so this is 5 by 3 3/4. So that's one other piece. Now I'm going to use raspberry as my complementing colour to this. So see, nice colour, and this is cut at 4 and 5 1/4. So we'll go like that on my card. So now what we need to do is fold them as a valley, a mountain and a valley. So depending on which way you want, whether you want this side showing or that side showing, is which way you're going to fold them. So I'm going to fold, so I'll fold that one, that's your valley. Then we're going to do a mountain. So we have a mountain. And now we have another valley. And there's your folded card. But you know, you can change it if you wanted to. So if you wanted to do it and you decided that you didn't want it, you wanted to check it out what it looked like, you just refold them the other way. So then it would be like that. Alright, so done that. Now what you want to do is glue this part down. Alright, so now you've got 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to pop that in there. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. So we've got that, then we've got that, and then we've got this space to write. Okay, so I'm going to decorate the front of the card, so we're going to put the card away, and we're going to make something to put on the inside and something to put on the outside. So I've actually already got a circle cut in ballerina, and I'm going to pop that in there. That'll have my sentiment on it, which I'm going to use from this stamp set. It's the Say It in Style stamp set. This one is in our core catalogue at the moment, and then our core catalogue goes until August. So if you know, this one's got lots of different sentiments on it. You got anniversary, Hanukkah, Halloween, thank you, celebrate. There's quite a few on here. Your birthdays, your Mother's Day, Father's Day. So this is the one I'm going to use today. So I've got happy birthday on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use, this is an old retired thin cut set. It's the Stitch Flowers. So you've got these couple of flowers here, but I've actually already got a couple of flowers already out. So I'm going to use this flower, and I've got some leaves, and some other bits and pieces that I'm going to create a flower to go on the front here. And I've also got some leaves here that I want to use. So here are our leaves that we've got. Okay, and then we'll bring in our card. So we've got our flower to put together, we've got this to put on there. So what I'll probably do is pop that under there like that, and then this will cover that. We'll add some bitty sparkles and some silver glitter gems onto there, just to add a little bit of something something. Really, really tiny. So that is our fabulous fun folding card. Okay, well that is it for me. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.